A lot of us are scared of this area of English. Yes, it's grammar. It's time to strengthen it. In the previous video, I shared free websites to have conversations with real people across the globe. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it. I'll share the link in the description. This is the second video in the series where I am introducing free websites where you can enhance different aspects of English like grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, etc. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. My name is Shantha and you are watching English with Shantha. Many learners are weak when it comes to grammar and they don't know how to practice. And they keep asking me if they can practice prepositions, modal verbs and how to do it. Many students think if I don't buy a course, if I don't join coaching, I can't improve my English. That is not true. There are websites completely free where you can practice English grammar properly with exercises, answers, and explanations as well. No payment, no hidden charges, no pressure, no need to even log in. I have seen that most apps and sites ask for login, phone number, verification, email ID, and it gets frustrating every time. So I have tried all these sites personally and hence I'm recommending them to you. In this video, I am going to show you 6 free grammar websites that you can start using from today itself. Each website is different, their usage is different, and the structure is different. I have explained one by one their advantages, who should use it, what is the structure, everything, so you can choose which one suits you the best. So make sure to watch the complete video. I have included links for each of the websites in the description box. Make sure to check them out. And I'll also tell you which one is best for beginners, intermediates, or for serious practice as well. Let's start. The first one is EnglishExercises.org. This website is very simple. When you open it, it may not look very modern or fancy, but don't judge it by its design. It has thousands of grammar exercises. You will find tenses, articles, prepositions, conditionals, passive voice, reported speech, and much more. The best part? It gives instant answers. You don't have to wait. You fill the blanks, click submit, and you immediately see your score. Why is this useful? Because grammar improves through practice, not reading or by hearting the rules. If you're someone who says, I understand grammar, but I make mistakes while speaking, this site is very helpful because it trains your brain through repetition. Now, what are the advantages of this site? First thing, completely free. Huge variety. It's good for daily practice. Who should use this? Beginners or intermediate learners who want lots of exercises. It's best for you guys. So before we proceed with the video, I want to show you this book by Oswald Books. This is the Handbook of English Grammar for school exams, for competitive exams, and you can improve your English as well. So it covers a lot of grammar features like foundations, tenses, prepositions, modal verbs, article, interjections, passive voice, and a lot more. So there are a lot of activities which you can solve inside the book, and you can check your knowledge of grammar. So you can basically prepare yourself and you can polish your grammar skills by solving the exercises in this book. It's truly beneficial to improve your English and a productive way to spend your time as well. You can gift it to your children. Alternatively, if you know somebody who is appearing for their competitive exams, make sure to recommend this because books are expensive. And if you use my coupon code SHANTHA20, you will get up to 40% off. The details are in the description box. Go ahead and check it out and you can buy from their website. So if you are somebody who doesn't want to practice your grammar on screen and you prefer books, I have given you that option as well. Now moving ahead with the video. The second website is grammarexercises.org. This one is more organized and clean. It focuses mainly on grammar practice, not distractions, not extra content. You can practice your tenses, comparatives and superlatives, modal verbs, question forms, sentence structure. What I like about this site is that exercises are short and focused. You don't feel overwhelmed. What are the advantages of this site? It has a simple layout, clear exercises, good for revision. If you're preparing for interviews, exams, or you just want to strengthen basics, this site is very useful. The third website is lingua.com. Well, this one is slightly different. It doesn't just give grammar exercises, it gives reading passages with grammar based questions. This is powerful because in real life, grammar doesn't come alone, right? It comes inside sentences, inside stories, inside conversations. So, when you practice grammar inside a reading passage, your understanding becomes deeper. Now, what are the advantages of this site? You will have both reading and grammar together. It has good level based structure. So, whatever your level is, you can go ahead with that. It gives you instant answers. This is perfect for learners who want to improve both grammar and comprehension, means the understanding. The fourth website is Englishmatic. This one gives grammar tests and structured exercises. You can take small tests on tenses, articles, prepositions, sentence correction. It feels like a mini exam. And sometimes that's good because when you test yourself, you understand your weak areas. So go ahead and challenge yourself. What are the advantages? Test style format. It helps identify mistakes and it's good for self evaluation. You can come to know your how good you are in that particular grammar topic. So if you're serious about improving your accuracy, this is helpful. The fifth website is UpEnglish. This website gives grammar practice along with listening and reading. So if you get bored doing only fill in the blanks, this site gives variety. You can practice grammar and then apply it in exercises connected to real usage. What are the advantages? Variety of exercises includes other skills as well, that is listening and reading. Good for overall improvement. This is nice for learners who don't want only textbook style grammar. The sixth website is EnglishPage.com. This one is very detailed. If you want proper explanation of tenses, especially advanced tenses, this website explains them clearly with examples. Then it gives exercises below. For example, if you struggle with present perfect versus past simple, this website explains the difference clearly and then makes you practice. What are the advantages? Strong explanations, good examples, and it's great to clarify your tense confusion. This is perfect if you want conceptual clarity, concept wise clarity. Okay, now how to use these websites properly? Let me tell you something important. Don't open all 6 websites in one day. That one is a mistake. Choose one. Practice 15 to 20 minutes daily. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Grammar is not for impressing people, grammar is for clarity. Confident speakers, they are not perfect, they are clear. And clarity comes from practice. These websites give you the opportunity. You just have to use it. If you found this video useful, hit the like button. The next video in the series will be free websites for your vocabulary improvement. If you're serious about improving your English without spending money, make sure to follow this series and this channel as well. I'll see you in the next video.